Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda CR-V that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse guys for the blower motor fan is located. You have two different fuses in two different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can guys buy cheap fuses and relays that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do, just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that helped more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-box fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the blower motor fan fuse, guys, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CR-V right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working in both of them today. The first fuse box is on the inside. If you come to the driver's side, under the dash, above the pedals, guys, look all the way up in the dash on the left side, you will notice that you will have a fuse box and the layout will be just like this one right here. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we'll need to check one fuse and we'll need to go to another fuse box, and we're talking about fuse number 22, 7.5 amp fuse. That's the number 22 right here. Next, open the hood. Under the hood, guys, here you're going to notice that's the main engine management fuse box. Open that cover here, and once you open the cover, you will see, okay, let me show you now, you will see that layout right there. This is the front of the CR-V, this is towards the windshield. We have it sideways so we can show you with a great detail. Here you have that multi-box fuse that consists of 11 individual fuses integrated in one. That's the side view. If one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse box. That's bad news. Good news, we will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from at a good price and quick shipping. Here you start from this side and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That 40 amp fuse, it's for the blower motor fan right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.